Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 6 slices of your favorite bread, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of milk. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon for that classic flavor. Make sure you have a shallow dish ready for dipping and a good non-stick pan for cooking. Now, let's create our delicious batter. Crack your 2 large eggs into a shallow dish and whisk them until they are fully combined. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of milk, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, and sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Whisk everything together until the mixture is smooth and all ingredients are perfectly blended. It's time to cook. Place your non-stick pan over medium heat and melt about 1 tablespoon of butter. Take each slice of bread and dip it into your prepared batter, letting it soak for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. Carefully place the soaked bread into the hot pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it's beautifully golden brown. Your homemade French toast is ready. Serve it warm and fresh, topped with your favorite additions. A drizzle of maple syrup, a handful of fresh berries, or a light dusting of powdered sugar are all fantastic choices. This simple recipe is perfect for a delightful breakfast or brunch. Remember to check the description for the link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.